Okay, as you come down the back room, I know it's been a while since I posted it. Come down to the back room, you see the Joe and Steve, Larry and Sally, Ann and Mike, the bottle shop, Kevin Warren, and Dana Duncan back in the back room. And for the summer we have the garden open. Just wanted to give you a quick preview of the garden. So you just come right out into the back on any day. We'll be open any day that it's not raining. And you just come through the back room right to the backyard, and you get your garden. I know in the Northeast we had a cold and rainy spring, so everyone's getting sort of a late start on their gardening. But just in time for Memorial Day, we have the garden open. So if you're in Millbrook area this weekend, stop by, come out to the back, and you can get your garden decor. Most of it is under this tent here, so it's well protected from the weather, although most of the stuff is built for the outdoors. You got some what they call wedding tables out here as well. Nice bench. So come on back to the backyard when you visit the store this weekend or in the course of the summer. Everything back here is for sale except for the propane tank. All right, thanks very much.